Well, Omicron is confirmed in 77 countries. On Wednesday, the World Health Organization warned that it's spreading faster than any of its predecessors and says that apart from those 77 countries where the variant's been reported, it's probably present in many other countries as well. Indonesia has reported its first Omicron infection. The variant was detected on Wednesday in an employee at a hospital in the capital, Jakarta. The patient infected had no history of overseas travel recently. The Indonesian health minister said that so far there was no sign of community transmission, but there are 5 suspected cases of infection.
Deteksi ada 5 kasus yang probable Omicron.
We are also detecting another 5 probable cases of Omicron. 2 cases involving Indonesian citizens, one who just arrived back from United States of America and the other one from England. Both of them are now being isolated in the Wisma Atlet Quarantine Hospital. The other 3 probable cases involving a Chinese citizen arrived in Manado and now is being isolated in a quarantine facility in Manado.
Yang datang ke Manado.
Malaysia has reported its second Omicron infection. An 8-year-old child has tested positive after travelling to Nigeria with his family. All close contacts of the patient, as well as passengers on the flight, have tested negative so far. Right after the second infection was reported, the Malaysian government announced a number of new restrictions. The latest curbs in Malaysia include a ban on mass gatherings as well as mandatory booster doses for high-risk groups. Earlier, the Malaysian health minister said authorities were verifying 18 more suspected cases of the variant, and those results can be expected by Friday. Moving on to Canada, COVID infections are spiking across the nation. On Wednesday, the Canadian health minister called on people to get vaccinated while urging the public against overseas travel in the wake of the global spread of COVID infections. This comes as Canada's weekly COVID average hits an all-time high.
So today, I have the task of confirming that our government is officially advising Canadians to avoid non-essential travel outside Canada. To those who were planning to travel, I say very clearly, now is not the time to travel. The rapid spread of the Omicron variant on a global scale makes us fear the worst for Canadians that may think of traveling. Traveling Canadians could contract the virus or get stranded abroad.